Okay, for question number 31, it's given that the difference between the outer and inner radii of a hollow right circular cylinder of length 14 centimeter is 1 centimeter. So this is question number 31. And let the outer radius, and let it be R1. Let outer radius be R1 and inner radius be R2. So it's given that the distance difference between them is 1 centimeter. So this definitely first set of equation. Let's try to understand this question. So it's given that this is, let's say, the cylinder with the inner and the outer radii. So this is the outer radii R1. This is the inner radii R2, and difference between them, this is 1 centimeter. Now this is a cylinder, so let's draw this as a hollow cylinder. And if this is a hollow cylinder, this is the base with outer and the inner radii. Now the length of this cylinder is 14 centimeters. So this is 14 centimeter, and it's given that the volume of the metal used in making the cylinder. So volume of the metal used in making the cylinder is here. So this is the volume of the metal that is. And how do we find the volume of the metal used in making the cylinder? That is, we will subtract the volume of these two cylinders with the outer and the inner radii. So I can write here that volume of metal used for making cylinder, that is equal to volume of the outer cylinder, which is pi r1 square h, and volume of the inner cylinder, which is pi r2 square h. So volume of metal used for making cylinder is given to us, which is 176 centimeter cube. So this is 176, and this is pi into h, r1 square minus r2 square. So this is 176, value of pi is 22 by 7, height is 14. This is a square minus b square, so a plus b into a minus b, and r1 minus r2 is given to us, which is 1. So I can write that r1 plus r2 is equal to 1. This is 1, and 176 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 14, this is 1, so we can neglect that. So 11 twos are is 22, 11 ones are 11, 6, this is 2, 8, and 2 sevens are is 14, 4, this gets cancelled, so this is 4. Now we have two set of equations. First is r1 minus r2 is equal to 1, and second is r1 plus r2 is equal to 4. And if we subtract these equations, so this is, sorry, add these equations, this is 2r1 is equal to 5, which gives us r1 is equal to 2.5 centimeters. So the outer radii is 2.5. And if we write these equations and once again in the vertical form, and if we subtract them, so this time this is minus, just change the signs to subtract them. So this time this gets cancelled, minus r2 is minus 2r2, 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So R2 is equal to 3 by 2 is 1.5. So R2 is 1.5 and R1 is 2.5 centimeter. These are the inner and the outer radii of for question number is 31. Thank you for watching.